Good day, everyone. It's Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. It is September 2nd, 2025. I have just now got back in the truck early this morning, and I was giving away from the great folks of superclean a couple different products from superclean. Had to be a United States resident, and I didn't get many entries who was in America that hadn't won the last time. So Mud Trucking, you've won the products from superclean. I need your address and I'll forward it to the great people of superclean. If you need any degreaser and all the other products superclean has, check them out at your nearest retailer. Superclean, they know clean. So thank you for everyone who watched the video, wasn't many, and commented. And catch you next time. It's September already. Can you believe that? This is Ralph. Ralph's Trucking out.